Hey guys, welcome back to Rscarpremium. So we have got a Kia Sonet facelift to get it upgraded. So let me tell you what all upgrades we have done. We have done a minimal upgrade, but I'll show you what all upgrades we have done. So guys, as we buy a new car, the first thing what we do is a PPF or a ceramic coating. As it's a black car, customer wanted to do a PPF and we have done a PPF with a Lumar brand, which is of 200 microns to the complete car. So other main thing was customer was facing with this light problem. So what we have done is we have added Rscarpremium headlight on your low beam as well as on your high beam. So you can see the output, how good it is on the real-time roads. So the customer had a fabric seat cover, but he was concerned telling me that, sir, I have an airbag in my seat covers. How are you going to fit the seat cover? So we gave him a suggestion where we are coming up with an airbag friendly seat covers, which will have a side gap over here for the airbags to open, and we have used a material called Lusanzo, which will not heat or sweat. So customer was facing issue with his steering as it was with a completely with a flash stick. So what we have done here is we have just added a steering leather wrap. For safety, what we have done is we have used Rscarpremium Mirror Dashcam with front and rear with 11.6 inches touch display. So if you guys wanted to get a car upgraded with all these accessories, please reach out to Rscarpremium.